Hello, today we are going to make buzz game. Let us see what components we will need. The long conductive string, the small conductive string, two black cylindrical blocks, one buzzer, one female to female jumper wire, a battery connector, a 9V battery, and a normal long piece of wire. Now take the long conductive string, bend it into your desired shape, and insert it into the holes of the cylindrical blocks. After it's done, take the small conductive string and make a closed loop in the one side of the wire. You can use a plier or a wire bender, and if you do, please take help of an adult. After it's done, insert it in the long conductive wire. Now let's begin the next process. Now take a small piece of double-sided tape and the buzzer and attach it on the body of a cylindrical block. Now take the positive wire of the buzzer and insert it into the hole of the cylindrical block as well. Make sure it should be touching the conductive string. Now take the battery and connect the battery connector. Now take another small piece of double-sided tape and stick it to the battery. Then stick it to the other cylindrical block. Now take the female to female jumper wire and connect the negative wire of the connector and the negative wire of the buzzer together. Now take the normal long wire and twist it around the small conducting string loop that we made. And you can bend the tail of the conductive string to secure it properly. It's now secure. Now take the other end of the normal wire and connect it to the positive wire of the battery connector. The buzzer started to play because the conductive strings were touching one another. Our buzz game is ready. Now let's check the output. Oops, I lost. Let me try again. It's very hard to play. Looks like I lost again. Try to finish this game by making your own. Thanks for watching.